Download the code from codagive.com. Link in description. Creating a stopwatch using HTML. Signed, JavaScript involves three main components: structure, style, and functionality. First, you will set up the HTML to create the layout, which typically includes elements for displaying the time and buttons for starting, stopping, and resetting the stopwatch. Next, is used to style these elements, enhancing the user interface with colors, fonts, and spacing to make the stopwatch visually appealing. The core functionality is implemented with JavaScript. That's implemented with You will define variables to keep track of time, usually in milliseconds, and create functions to handle the start, stop, and reset actions. The start function sets an interval that updates the displayed time every second, while the stop function clears this interval, effectively pausing the timer. The reset function sets the timer back to 0. Finally, you will link the buttons to their respective JavaScript functions to ensure interactivity and a seamless user experience.